The world does not owe you a single thing. This pain you feel is real, and it will break you completely if you allow it to stay. Look around you. This silence is the sound of lost dreams. Most people stop here. They let the darkness swallow their ambition and their soul. Time is the only currency you cannot earn back. Every second you spend wallowing in your failure is a second of your life you are burning away. You are standing at the edge of the abyss. The weight of your choices has brought you here, and the pressure is starting to crush your ribs. Can you feel your heart racing? That is the sound of your survival instinct fighting against the urge to just give up and let it end. The grip is slipping. Your muscles are screaming for relief. But if you let go now, there is nothing below you but the cold, hard ground. Every no you have heard, every door slammed in your face, and every dream that turned into a nightmare is trying to keep you down. The storm doesn't care about your feelings. The world doesn't care about your plans. It will keep raining until you decide to build a shelter. How long do you intend to lie there in the dirt? Is this the final chapter of your story? Is this how they will remember you? The abyss is deep, but it is also a mirror. It shows you exactly who you are when everything else has been stripped away from you. Pain is inevitable. You cannot escape it. You can either let it destroy you, or you can use it as the fuel for your resurrection. Good. You are still breathing. If you can breathe, you can fight. If you can fight, you can win. It starts right here, right now. You don't need a crowd. You don't need a cheerleader. You just need the discipline to stand up when your mind is telling you to sleep. While the rest of the world is dreaming, you are out here working. While they are comfortable, you are embracing the cold and the struggle. Mistakes were made? Good. You were rejected? Good. You feel tired and broken? Good. That means you are finally in a position to grow. There are people with half of what you have doing twice as much as you are. Stop making excuses for why you can't move forward. This is the reconstruction phase. You are tearing down the old, weak version of yourself to build something that the world cannot easily break down. Stop complaining about the weight of the world. Start training your shoulders to be strong enough to carry it without flinching or looking back. Analyze the failure. Study the wreckage. Don't run away from the shame. Use it as a map to find the path you missed before. Every rep, every step, and every drop of sweat is a brick in the fortress of your will. You are becoming an unbreakable force today. Don't look at the top of the mountain. Just look at the next step. Win the next minute. Win the next hour. Win the day. Stop complaining. Start attacking. The predator does not cry about the hunt. The predator focuses on the target and strikes with total, absolute precision. They don't know who you are. They think you're finished. Show them the absolute insanity of a human being who refuses to stay dead. You have to become a destroyer of your own limits. Break the chains of your comfort zone and burn them until there's nothing left. Run until your lungs burn like fire. Run until your legs feel like lead. And then find another gear and run even faster than before. Your body is a machine, and your mind is the operator. Tell your body to shut up and do exactly what it is told to do. Unleash the beast within. There is a primal strength inside of you that has been dormant for far too long. It is time to hunt. Forge yourself in the heat of the struggle. The more you are hammered by life, the sharper and more resilient your edge will become. Be like the rock. Let the waves of chaos crash against you. Let the storms howl. You remain unmoved, unshaken, and completely dominant in your space. This is the campaign of destruction. You are destroying your old habits, your old fears, and every single excuse that ever held you back. When everyone else is slowing down, you accelerate. When they are looking for an exit, you are looking for the next wall to climb. Every drop of sweat is a payment toward your future self. You are buying your freedom from mediocrity with the currency of your own effort. You are a warrior in a garden. Not a gardener, in a war. Prepare for the battle even when the sky seems clear and peaceful. The clock is your enemy until you master it. The heartbeat is your drum. Use the rhythm of your own life to strike harder. Destroy your limits. Do not negotiate with them. Do not ask for permission. Simply walk through the barrier and never look back at it. Resilience is not just about muscle and bone. It is about the quiet strength of a spirit that refuses to be dampened by the rain. It is the art of being knocked down 7 times and standing up 8. It is the grace you show when the world is chaotic. True power comes from the mind. You must feed your intellect as much as you train your body. Knowledge is the foundation of lasting resilience. Design your comeback with precision. Every great victory was first a plan in the mind of someone who refused to accept a permanent defeat. Inner peace is the ultimate weapon. When you are calm inside, nothing outside can touch your center or distract you from your ultimate mission. Be like the blade of grass that breaks through the pavement, soft, yet persistent, fragile, yet powerful enough to conquer the hardest stone on earth. Look at the person in the mirror. That is your only true competition. If you can master that person, you can master the entire world. Your actions today will create ripples that last for generations. Choose your movements wisely. Make sure your legacy is built on the foundation of grit. The world is full of noise. Most people are just reacting to it. You must be the one who acts with intention and deep, silent purpose. Kian Kwong is the ability to face the years and the trials with a smile, knowing that every scar on your body is a medal. This is the art of turning your pain into a masterpiece. You are the artist, and the struggle is the brush you use to paint. Let the rhythm of your persistence be the soundtrack of your life. Even in the quiet moments, the strength of your character should ring loud. Resilience is an art form. It is the most beautiful thing a human being can master. It is the signature of a truly great soul. Now, we move from survival to dominance. It is not enough to just get by. You must aim to take over the entire mountain. History is written by those who refused to quit. It belongs to the obsessed, the driven, and the ones who were too stubborn to die. Look at me. I want you to feel the fire in your own gut. That hunger is not a mistake. It is your destiny calling you. Dominate your environment. Do not let the circumstances dictate your mood. You dictate the atmosphere of every room you walk into from now on. Be the predator of your problems. Don't wait for things to get better. Go out there and force them to be better through sheer will. They will talk about your comeback for years, but you didn't do it for the cheers. You did it to prove to yourself who you are. Enough with the hesitation. Enough with the maybe next time. Today is the day you stake your claim on the life you actually want. You are the master of your fate, the captain of your soul. No storm can sink a ship that is steered by a heart of iron. Dominate the adversity. Use the wind to push you faster. Use the rain to wash away the doubt. Use the heat to forge your resolve. Life is a game of strategy, not just effort. Play your cards with the confidence of someone who has already seen the end of the game. This is your world now. You have earned the right to stand here. You have paid the price in full, and the reward is absolute. Nature does not apologize for its power. Neither should you. Walk with the stride of a king and the focus of a god-tier warrior. Say it out loud. I have had enough of being average. I have had enough of being a victim. I am the conqueror of my life. Become a legend in your own time. Leave a legacy that the passage of years cannot erode. Be the standard that others aim to reach. Dominate everything. Leave no stone unturned. Leave no doubt in anyone's mind that you are the absolute master of your own path and destiny. The journey back to the start is over. You are a new being now. The trial by fire has left you stronger than you ever imagined. It is time to step out of the shadows and into the light. The world is waiting for your performance. Do not keep them waiting anymore. Every fear you once had is now just a memory. Every weakness you possessed has been turned into a weapon of war for your soul. The distractions are over. The noise has been silenced. All that is left is you, the mission, and the work that needs to be done. You have the power to create a new world from the ashes of the old one. This is your manifesto. This is your truth today. Breathe in the future. Breathe out the past. You are grounded. You are ready. You are the embodiment of resilience and pure, focused intent. Will, power, grit, glory. These are not just words. They are the blood that flows through your veins. They are your new operating system. This is your moment of truth. Everything you have suffered has prepared you for this specific second. Walk out there and take what is yours. The lone wolf is not the one who is lonely. It is the one who is strong enough to lead itself when no one else will. No more talking, no more planning, no more waiting for the perfect conditions. The conditions will never be perfect. The time is always right now. You are the art of resilience. You are the living proof that the human spirit cannot be broken unless it chooses to break itself down. Now, step out of this moment and go make it happen. No more excuses. No more delays. Just go and get to work right now.